Hello everyone, it's me Baby. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video request and it's going to be about some meat and peas, or you can call it saucy up and petit pois. So to get started, we're going to need some little bit of oil, and before we add the next ingredient right after the oil, you want to make sure the oil is very hot. Then you're going to add some beef. Here we have about 1 pound of beef, and the thing in the red spoon is some salt. As you can see, the beef has almost zero, no fat on it, and that's what you want. So you can tell you're gonna add some more oil than usual. And we're going to brown the beef till it gets like a nice golden color, which will take about 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes are up, as you can see, this beef has this nice looking color. Then the next step is to add some water. I prefer to add some hard boiling water just because it speeds up the process. But you don't have to. You can use some regular warm water if you want. I like to do like splashes at a time just to create some color at the end. Then you can go ahead and add the rest of the entire water. And you want the water to cook down till at least a good 45 minutes. So this is like a childhood dish, and we used to cook it for dinner many times. And this is 45 minutes into the cooking. As you can see, the water has rendered down a lot. So what we're going to do is to get some broth out because we're going to save it for later. Once I remove the amount of broth that I needed, I'm going to let the rest of the broth simmer down till it's completely almost gone, like this. And next it's time to add the next ingredient, which is going to be some chopped onions. And right after we drop the onion in, we're going to need some good strong seasoning for uh, stew. And that's why we're going to use our manual food processor, and we're going to add some salt. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're going to need some jumbo, and I only use like the half a jumbo. We're going to add some garlic clove, and last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of green bell pepper. So you're going to mash all these ingredients together until it's all smooth. Then you're going to add it inside the pot. Right after you add the seasoned mixture in, you want to let it cook for at least another good 5 minutes, just to let the garlic cook a little bit longer. And you're going to add some few splashes of water just to bring everything together. Then I would like to add the broth that I removed earlier just to bring all the flavors together again. And this is a little bit of Dijon mustard that we added in. And right after you add the mustard, you're going to add some peas. And these are the peas from the can. And what you do is you don't need the water that's in the can. So you're going to remove the water without removing any peas, and whatever left on the peas, you're going to add everything inside the pot. And let it simmer for about, I'll say, 5 more minutes. And everything after that should be ready. So this is what it looks like once it's done. And some people like to use, me preferably, I like some bread on the side with it. And I see some people do mayo or hot sauce, but this is how I like to eat it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back here next time for another new video. Bye.